Let's go on a date chat. Fucking copium. I'm gonna cry. I don't feel lonely anymore. Maybe that side has better. We'll wait for the cosplay. Hola Pitón, pues qué tanto. ¿Qué pedo, qué pedo, qué pedo, qué pedo, qué pasó? Hola, ¿qué tanto? ¿Todo bien por aquí? Ahora estoy en Koreatown. Rami! Hey Rami, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I want Korean fried chicken though. Yeah, I'm gonna eat alone. Korean fried chicken. Going shopping? No, we're just... Actually, maybe. They have like a lot of cute things here. I'm not too sure yet. We're just vibing. Koreatown. I wonder where I can go. Maybe over there. It looks like there's a lot of food. Yeah, maybe I could finally buy kimchi on me. Just maybe. Hi Raisoy, nice seeing you. Peace be with you. Konnichiwa Nikoro-san. How are you doing? I'm doing super well, thank you. How are you doing today? I slept really well. I'm glad. Are you like, are you still in pain? I can't imagine. Wonton Kitchen is California is my favorite. Wonton. Eh? Is that near here? Let's go over there. Whoa, I fell. No, that looks more like barbecue. IRL, we just were touching grass and I hate it. I want to eat that, but that's like for families and friends. But I want to eat all of that. I want to eat all that shit, bro. How are you doing today, Vidya? Good to see you too. Okay, I'm glad. I want to eat this, bro. But like, imagine like one girl eating all that alone. That's like mega fucking copium, bro. Hi, Farah! Other people are scared, dude. People scare me, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? It's so like busy. Oh my god. Oh my god, BTS. Almost sad. Not anymore. I can't lift my arm all the way, but I'm slowly getting some. Aww. Take care of yourself. Okay, recover. Oh, Nico, Asia product. We can come here later. Maybe there's some yummy stuff here. Oh shit, what the fuck? We already found some nice shit, bro. What the fuck? Oh shit, bro. The good shit, man. I think you would have a decent shot at me. You think so? I want to, but like, the judgment scares me. I just came from the gym, surprised to see. Yeah, today's an early day because like I'm gonna try to stream early on Fridays because it gets darker, you know. So I'm gonna try. Yeah, fun noodles, yummy. What'sy? Emo! How are you guys doing today? Get snacks and plushie on the way home, maybe. Oh my god, that looks so good. That looks so good too. Look. Wow. Everything looks so yummy. Chocobi, chocobi. The pumpkin, bro. I see we're in Koreatown. Yeah, we're in Koreatown. I'm so hungry. Yeah. There's some like yummy stuff over here. You guys want to see? Maybe there's like some Korean chicken. Maybe like look. What the fuck is rainbow? Rainbow cheese. Hot chocolate. What the fuck is a rainbow one? Eh? Should I get it? Should I get that one? I kind of want orange juice. I don't know. Should I eat outside here? People are doing it. Maybe I can get something here and sit down somewhere. Is there a seat? Let's see if there's a seat. There's only one way to find out how to say, should I do it? Or is there a place I can say you sit down in? Which is like a copium spot? No, that's the trash area. That's the trash area. Do it? Okay, rainbow, okay. Okay, let's go. No pump, I'm getting closer to my form, to the photo shoot. Oh, let's go, photo shoot time. Okay, 12. Okay, let's get 12. We're gonna get the thingy. But photo shoot, that's so exciting. What kind of photo shoot are you doing, Prada? Hi Outcast, we're about to get a rainbow cheeseburger. I'm so excited. How you doing today, Outcast? I hope you're doing well. Yahoo! Food time, I'm so hungry. Hi Taibo, you sound like a horse. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop. Oh yeah, I need to show you guys my outfit after. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop. Danny, how are you doing today? Popsicle! How are you doing today, Popsicle? It's the multicolor snacky. Hey, Sputnik! How are you doing today? Soju commercial model shoot. Huh? No, I'm kidding. I'm mostly private purpose things. That will be used. Oh, that's pretty sick, though. I was like, Soju, that's pretty sick. I am a tall lady. I told you. We're gonna try out the hot dog thing. I'm so excited. Wish I was tall. We're tall in our hearts. We're all tall in our hearts. We're all 185 Outcasts, okay? We're all. You missed this at the end of your mess. Oh my god, Kappa. I'm tall. Hey, Nicole, your color looks fucking sick. Thank you, Anikara. Look at it. It's in the sun. It looks so much better, right? Thank you. We're gonna get a yummy rainbow cheese thingy. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Alright, I'm wondering if we can go to like... Is there somewhere we can sit down? Let me take it out. Oh. Down.